Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi from Cooking with Kunchi, and today we're going to talk about steaks with the Reggae Spice Sweet and Sassy Jerk Marinade. Today I have 3 ribeyes and a top sirloin steak, and what I'm going to do, we're going to do some reverse sear on the Weber kettle. Almost everybody has a Weber kettle, one of the most popular and most customizable grills available on the market today. So I'm going to show you how I do some reverse sear steaks today. Everything that I'm going to be using is going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and check them out, reggaespicecompany.com, and all the other stuff on Amazon. Stay tuned, see how I do this. Macarena boy. I'm using some B&B charcoal briquettes. B&B is one of the longest burning, cleanest burning, and the better burning charcoal out there. So B&B briquettes. Now I'm adding my potatoes inside, wrapped in some foil. That's right into the fire chamber. And here goes my steaks. I'm putting them fat capped towards the heat, just so you know my steaks don't get cooked too quickly. And I'm gonna use my Inkbird 6 probe thermometer to monitor these steaks. I'm monitoring one of the ribeyes and the top sirloin, putting a little bit of peach wood for smoke, and then I'm just gonna lock that down and monitor my temp using the Inkbird thermometer. When your steak gets to rare, and this is how I'm cooking it, you can do the math however you like. I'm cooking it to rare, and then I'm gonna sear to get it to medium well. Beautiful and delicious steaks topped with some garlic butter, and I'm gonna let these rest for 15 minutes before I carve into them. That's the end of the video today. That's how we make some reverse sear steaks on the Weber kettle, one of the most customizable grills available on the market today. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all these products that I'm using today, from my thermometer to my gloves, even my camera. Don't forget also to check out reggaespicecompany.com, and if you're shopping for Father's Day weekend, you'll get that 30% off. Go ahead and check them out. My name is Kunchi. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.